is everybody? I'm back once again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this knotless box braid look. This is going to be a great tutorial for those of you who do not have the best grip. So let's jump right into it. Today I am using this hair from Free Tress. It is pre-stretched. One warning I have about this hair is that for some reason the black on this, I guess the hair is dyed black at the roots, and it got on my scarf, it got on my pillowcases. So just so you know, if you get this hair, it does bleed. So to start out, you're gonna braid your hair into individual braids. You're braiding your natural hair. So here's my hair all braided up. As usual, I left my ends out. Honestly, the shorter the braid is, the better, meaning you don't want to braid your hair all the way down. If you could just braid it a little bit away from your scalp just to lock in those parts, that's the ideal situation, because the longer the braid is, the more it's going to show through the finished product, and you don't want that. So here's my braiding pattern. I decided to do kind of like a brick style parting, if you will. So that's what we have here. So of course, most of my hairstyles involve a crochet hook, because you know that's just my thing. So we're going to take the crochet hook and we're going to insert it under the braid right in the middle. We're going to hook the braiding hair into the hook, close it, pull it through, and you're going to pull one side all the way through. So at this point you should have one piece on top of your braid and one piece under. Now we're going to take another piece and we're going to bring it either over or under. In this case I did under that hair, and we're going to begin to braid. So you have the two pieces of that last strand of hair you just got, and then you have your natural braid and the piece of hair that you crocheted in the middle. So those are your three pieces, the two sides of the new piece, the one piece that you crocheted in, and your natural hair is going to be in the middle. So you're going to braid down, I guess about 3 times. And at this point, you're going to do the feed-in method that is key for knotless braids. So we're adding one side of this strand to one strand of the braid. We're going to braid it a couple times, and then we're going to add the other strand to a strand of the braid. I hope this is making sense. I'm explaining it as best I can, but if you watch carefully, feel free to rewind and rewatch. I think you guys will get it. It's really not that complicated. It's just hard to explain. So I just added 2 more pieces, and from there you could just braid all the way down. Just wanted to add that this is a great method to use if you have naturally fine hair. Sometimes when I see knotless braids, the root is like super skinny, and then it gets really like thick and full. This is probably a problem for people with thinner hair. I think my hair is kind of like somewhere in the middle, but if you don't want that look, this is great to add a little more width to the root of your braid. And here's your finished braid. Now I'm going to do another one for you guys to see, but first I want to point out the hair that I use. So as you've noticed in the pack of hair, there are 3 bundles. Each of these braids are about 1/4 of that bundle. So you're going to take each bundle and break it into 4 sections if you want your braids to be the size of mine. From there, you're going to break the piece into 4 pieces. So there's going to be one piece that you crochet in, one piece that you add to start the braid, and 2 more pieces that you feed in along the way. And here are my first 2 braids up close. As you can see, they do have that knotless look. And here's the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thumbs up this video if you found it helpful at all. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss a thing. That notifications bell is very important, okay? That's all I have for you guys today. And until next time, peace.